Hi there, this is the girl with the computer voice. In this short video I will demonstrate how to set up SSH Key Based Login. Are you already using key based logins? Let me know in the comments. Let's get started. We have a couple of things to do. 1. Build a lab environment. 2. Create SSH Key Pair. 3. Manually place the public key. With SSH Key Based Login you can log into a remote machine using your private key, and not use a classic password. For users this is comfortable, for scripts and remote services it's almost mandatory. For example, Ansible uses this principle as well. If your private key is presented during login, and can unlock your public key, it is safe to authenticate the session. SSH Key Based Login might seem difficult, but with a few commands you are in business. The user demo has been created on all systems. We will use the SSH client on VM1 for our hand-on lab. But you can also use another client like PuTTY or MABA Xterm. The lab environment has been deployed, in code, so we are ready to start. We create the key pair by typing SSH-keygen. You can add a key phrase, this provides increased security for your key. If someone gets a hold of your key, they still cannot use it. In this demo I leave it blank. Press enter to create the key pair. The .pub is the public key. Let's put the key on the screen so we can copy it later on. As you can see I can currently not log on with my key. On VM2 I will add this key to a file authorized keys file in the .ssh directory. Make sure no one has access to .ssh directory, so close down the writes. Log into VM2 using our private key. Yes, it worked. Job well done. You are amazing. If you have questions or remarks about, or did you like the video, let me know in the comments area. Thanks for watching, please give me a thumb up, share this video and don't forget to push the subscription button below. That would be awesome, and I will see you next time, in another video.